Well, it looks like the luck never ends with some people. Solo Bitcoin miners are striking crypto gold with tiny USB-based Bitcoin rigs. Welcome to an edition of Rabid News. Let's see what's going on. All right, thank you for showing up to this video. Please hit that subscribe, thumbs up, and bell notification to be notified for future videos. Now, thanks to Tom's Hardware for this article. Solo Bitcoin miners are striking crypto gold with tiny USB-based rigs. Now, let's just have a look at what exactly this guy is using. Here is Bitcoin merch, and this is a USB Bitcoin miner. You just plug it into USB. Obviously, the hash rate is only 350 gigahash. Now, if you're used to Ethereum or something, you might think, wow, that's a lot. But the way the algorithm works, that's not very much. They're about $220. And moving down here, you can also get this little USB type of stick here, to get a much bigger type of rig. So this would essentially be like your mining frame. And then these little USB sticks would be like, your ASICs, your GPUs, or depending what you mine. It's a nice little mining setup. Let's get back to our article. One miner just earned $215,000. Wow. Me too, please. Let me in on this. Anyway, most ordinary people haven't been able to mine Bitcoin at a profit for years. Now, if you're unsure what they mean by that, you need them power-hungry ASIC miners. And in order to be decently profitable, you need very, very cheap power. Bitcoin has so much hash rate on the network that you need highly efficient machines, at the same time very cheap power prices in order to mine Bitcoin efficiently. As the difficulty of mining the cryptocurrency has increased, most rewards have gone to massive operations that rely on a bunch of incredible powerful machines, but solo miners with relatively weak setups have found success in recent weeks using USB-based miner rigs. So pretty much what I just showed you there. The most recent example comes from a solo USB miner participating in solo.ckpool.org. Now, I'm not sure if that is the same pool that was finding all these solo blocks previously. A couple of weeks ago, we did those news where two miners actually found them. This might be actually one of those guys. You got a reference to find out. But which purposely offers no frills, no fuss, 2% fees, anonymous solo Bitcoin mining for everyone. The miner solved the block with a rig that had a hash rate of approximately 8.3 terahashes per second. So 8.3 terahashes, and earned more than $215,000 worth of BTC. The types of USB miners were used available from retailers like Amazon and Bitcoin merch. Now, Bitcoin merch is where I just showed you that one. When you can find them in stock, of course. Obviously, everything's probably right out of stock right now, but who knows? Everyone's probably jumping this now. You're solo mining Bitcoin, really cheap, hardly any power. Let's get rich. Guys, keep a head on your shoulders. It's most likely you're not going to find a block. These guys are very, very lucky. The miner in question has a rig capable of an 86 terahash hash rate, but it was operating at 1/10 that performance when the block was solved. For context, Bitmain recently announced the Antminer S19 Pro Plus Hydra, which is capable of reaching a hash rate of approximately 198 terahash. That's more than twice what this setup offers. The difference is even starker when you consider that Bitmain targets miners willing to buy multiple rigs at once. It won't even sell the container for the Antminer S19 Pro Plus Hydra unless the buyer purchases 190 miners. So you want a single sale on that? Good luck, not happening. The new rig's price hasn't been revealed, but judging by Bitmain's other products, it's likely costs at least $10,000. And really, I think that's coming in fairly cheap, depending on the price. If we do hit another run on Bitcoin here and everything, this could greatly go up to, 20,000, 30,000. But again, Bitmain, they are the MSRP factors. They'll be sold out fast. So, the third party people will definitely scalp this price out to the moon, 100%. Most people really can't compete with the scale of those operations. However, some miners can still get lucky, as one who solved this block did. Solo miners seem to be enjoying some good luck. Bitcoin.com reported that smaller operations earned between $260,000 to $270,000 in January alone. Does this mean that everyone should think about mining Bitcoin again? Probably not. It's still a resource-intensive process, and even though solo miners rely on specialized hardware instead of consumer products, This miner in particular seems to be using a stick miner made by Gecko Science that features Bitmain chips. Bitcoin is also becoming increasingly difficult to mine, and until its value rebounds from the 34% drop it's seen over the last month, the rewards won't be as great as they were just a few weeks ago. Now keep in mind, you're still going to get the same amount of Bitcoin. You look at your coins mined, your yields, you smash out a block, you're going to be laughing your heads to the bank. Just, keep that in mind. Still, at least these recent victories have gone to people running small rigs rather than megalithic operations. What is that? Megalithic? That's crazy. Megalithic operations. Anyway, so what do you guys think about this article? USB mining, I do believe like Brandon Coin and a few people have covered these things, and obviously the hash rate was extremely low. It's next to impossible to earn anything, especially hitting that solo block. But hey, if you have luck on your side, then why not? If you want to try it out, go for it. If you don't want to try it out, I don't blame you, because it's most likely going to be a waste. The odds are very much against you. But you know what, myself, I'm curious. I might try it out myself. Should I try one of these USB miners? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys also think about this. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, as well as check out one of these other videos if you have not seen it yet. I do try to stream every Saturday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more future content.